Hello everybody and welcome back to another Disney Pixar Cars diecast review on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at this factory custom of yellow Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. He looks absolutely cool. Here he is compared to the Cars 3 regular Lightning McQueen from, of course, May 1st, 2017. We can see some differences. Of course, this is the official release and this is the factory custom. This is a fake, and of course he looks pretty cool as a fake. I mean, for only £3 or $3, free anything, there's not much differences. The quality control on these are pretty good for a fake. So yeah, without further ado, let's take a closer look at this factory custom Lightning McQueen. Now, I'm not sure if anyone else has done a video on this, but if they have, congratulations to them, because, they're probably one of the first. But I also want to review cars that not many people have reviewed on YouTube. So, like I have mentioned, this is the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen body diecast from Florida 500. He's got the medicated Rust-Eze bumper ornament rear end formula logo on the hood. He's in yellow with the headlights there as well. Nice expression. He's got 95 on the top, as we can see. The 95 is, of course, in red with the yellow, wording for Lightning McQueen. The roof flaps, the window bars, the etc. All of his decals are in red with, of course, piston cup, octane gain, RPM, revolting and clutch aid. We got the light year tyres in red too. The back is my favourite part of the diecast. Rust-Eze medicated bumper ointment. Looks absolutely cool. And I will quickly compare him to the Cars 3 release version. As we can see, medicated bumper ointment is a lot bigger on the factory custom, which is actually a bonus. The only thing that's different is the rear lights, because the bit on the right of the light, as you can see, is yellow instead of, the red as it usually is. Pretty cool on the rivets, I guess, or these things are way much more smaller. Pretty nice. So, I'll just put him up there for now, so it's easy to get to. Here is the base if you are interested. It does say children's toy, so when you do purchase these items, you don't get done for, customs or shipping import charges, so that's why they're so cheap. I love this so much. Another one that was released in 2022, if my camera will focus on him. I can't wait to get a new phone. These videos are being pre-recorded, by the way, so there's that. This is the metallic version, which of course is also a factory custom. Maybe I'll do a review on that sometime next week or in the future, near future. It's pretty much the same as the regular one. Yeah, like the dog hair. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video on, of course, the yellow factory custom Lightning McQueen. There's not too much to talk about it. I just wanted to, review it for you guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And until the very next video, which will most likely be, tomorrow as a short or a long video. It depends on which one it is. Peace, guys.